If you want to take your hair from this to this, you came to the right video. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine for 2025. It is going to be New Year's, so I'm just enjoying these last couple of days of 2024. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. Now, what do we do with this?
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell.
Chill on me, chill on me, chill on me. I know I need a cut. Self-cut video coming soon. But yo, I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm gonna rinse my hair. I have a bunch of products I'm gonna show you guys. And yeah.
So what I like to do first is just rinse my hair and just, water alone also gets a little bit of dirt and bulk out of my hair and my scalp. So that's a good start. I'm rinsing my hair with warm water and then I'm gonna come in with the shampoo. Alright, y'all, so I'm using this Aussie shampoo. This shampoo is so tough. Like, actually, this shampoo makes my curls pop. It's like a moisturizing shampoo, kind of. It doesn't leave my hair like really dry. I shampoo my hair once or twice a week. So for this video, it was time for me to shampoo my hair. But usually for this routine, I don't shampoo my hair because I curl my hair and do this routine throughout the week, like 3 times a week or 4 times a week. I like to keep my curls popping. But yeah, I shampoo once or twice a week. So what I'm doing here is just distributing it everywhere throughout my hair and scalp. And I'm not using my fingernails. I'm just using the tips of my fingers like I showed you guys. And I'm just kind of raking it through. And also with the shampoo, you can actually rake it through. Like, I can almost detangle my hair with the shampoo. Like, it's crazy. It's very moisturizing. I totally recommend it. And yeah. So now I'm going to rinse the shampoo out and make sure I rinse everything out. Don't leave any shampoo in your roots or your hair. Be thorough with it. As you can see here, I'm taking my time. So right now I'm coming in with the Aussie 3-minute detangling conditioner. This one is also really amazing. I totally recommend. This video is not sponsored by Aussie. I'm just, glazing the product line because it's really good in my opinion, So I'm going to put it in my hair and just rake it through and just shake my hair a bit. So for detangling, I'm going to come in with the unbrush. I'm not sectioning my hair for detangling. I'm just doing it like this, as you can see. Just using my fingers to separate and go through it smoothly. Don't roughen up your hair because you can rip your hair and create some damage, but be smooth with it and take your time. So now I'm done detangling. I'm just shaking my hair. And this is the method, y'all. Once you have the conditioner in your hair, just shake it a bit and get the curls to like form by itself and then rinse it out. My hair feels incredibly soft while I'm rinsing it. It's crazy. As a guy with 4C hair, my hair is pretty dry. I need moisture, so having like a solid hair care routine is very important because your hair can dry out and it won't grow. It won't grow. It will need moisture because my hair needs moisture. It screams for moisture. So, yeah. That's why detangling your hair, using leave-in conditioner, deep conditioning your hair is all important things for growing out your hair if you have hair like me.
Alright, so after I am out the shower, I'm going to put anti-Jackie hydrating leave-in conditioner and just rake it through my hair. And then I'm going to come in with Big Papa gel. This is the best gel in the game. Leaves no flakes. It's actually, it's a moisturizing gel actually. So once you put it in, no matter the amount you put in, it won't leave your hair stiff and like dry, and it won't feel like chips. So like, I really recommend this gel. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So after I'm done raking, I'm gonna add some water and just spray it all over and then shake my head and then come in with the gel.
So I'm putting in a gel now, and I'm just raking it through my hair like I said earlier. It's very simple steps, guys. This gel is kind of like, it's a clear gel, as you can see. It's a soft gel, that's why I like it. Soft gels work for my hair the best, other than like hard gels. A hard gel, in my opinion, would be like Stronghold gel, like Eco Styler gel. That gel does not work for my hair, personally. But yeah. So now I'm shaking my hair. I know y'all see that. Gee, look at the length. Look at the length. Don't mind my face though. I look crazy. But with this stuff, it comes with a lot of hair shaking and headaches. But yeah. So right now I'm gonna spray a little bit of some water and then shake it again just to get that the extra wet look to the curls.
All right, so now that I'm done curling my hair, I'm gonna come back to you guys when it's completely dry. But this is what it's looking like for now. It's gonna take about 30 minutes to dry, and I'll be back. Yo, this is what my hair looks like dry. It still looks wet, but it's just the curl look. I'm just recording this clip just to get this video over with. I'm tired, but this is what my hair is looking like. If y'all made it to the end of this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if it worked for you. And yeah, peace.